Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a web application on Google Earth Engine, how we can easily create this type of web application. It visualize for a specific dataset as well as also visualize for time series chart. So if you check the normal application, suppose you can see it's one kind of code. If I run the code, so this is the result we find out. So you can easily select your own country. Suppose you can see all of country, I can simply select from here. Suppose I need the result for this Algeria, just I simply select. So now it automatically show you that Algeria boundary. Not only for that, any country boundary in the Africa, so you can simply put the Benin. So now we can easily find out that the Benin boundary or any country boundary, all of country boundary list you can see in here. So simply select, then we can easily find out this type of country boundary from this list. So it's one kind of function we try to apply in here. So any users, they can easily select their own country, and suppose I need this country, just I simply select, then it automatically display this country boundary shape file. I can easily find out. Okay, so this is one kind of things we try to add in here, as well as we also try to add, suppose any users, suppose I need the temperature data for the Benin. So I can simply select the temperature, then it automatically show you the temperature, not only for the temperature. So now it also developing phase, you can see this type of data. So deforestation data, then light data, temperature data, soil quality data, then food production index, then SPEI drought index, then precipitation, then NDVI, then urban heat island. Suppose I need this data for that Benin, just I simply select the Benin. So now it selected my study area. So now for this study area, which data I need. Suppose I need the data for temperature, just I simply select the temperature. So now it automatically added the temperature map of the Benin, as well as it also display the time series chart about this temperature. So if I just click on here, then I can easily get this type of time series chart, and from we can, this time series chart is available from 2002, 2024 or 25. Okay, so you can see the time series chart. You can easily download that CSV file data, as well as also download the PNG file format photo. So this is one kind of web application. It look like that because we need to stressing, then we also find out the more better map. So just I try to stress 98% and then apply. So now we find out the more better map. Where is the high temperature, where is the low temperature, this type of information also get. And it also look more better if I add a legend on this bottom side for each data set, then this map look will be more beautiful. Okay, so further I also try to develop this type of things, and then I hope you can also get this idea how it will work. So now I will try to discuss about that how I can create this type of things. Suppose for this code, so if I just select the Sudan, so then it automatically display the Sudan boundary. Suppose if I select for any country, suppose Uganda, so it automatically show you the Uganda. So further this type of data set, suppose you can see this type of temperature data or drought monitoring data or deforestation data or any other data set, we can simply connect with our web application. Okay, then we can easily generate this type of time series chart, also generate this type of map. So now I will try to discuss about this code. Further I also discuss about this type of other advanced topic. So first of all, we need to know about the data set. So if you check, it's one kind of data set. Okay, this data set provide you the administrative level 0. Basically it provide you that country level boundary. We can easily find out that country level boundary. Basically this is the name, country level boundary, we find out in here. So first of all, I just create a list all of country boundary in Africa. Okay, in the Africa region, all of country boundary list I create. Okay, and further just I simply filter only for this country which are available in my list. So further I simply use the in list function. Okay, in list function, and I simply put this African countries because this variable is stored this list. So just I put here, and now I create a drop down menu. So you can see this type of drop down menu. It added all of country from my list. So just I simply put the UI.select and African countries. So this variable already stored it all of list of my country name in Africa. So just I simply put in here, and I placeholder I just put here the select the African country. So you can put anything in here in the password. So now further I just put here the filter at to the selected, okay, which I put in here, and then I put the country and put the zoom level suppose 5, or you can also increase or decrease it, and remove the previous layer. So for that I simply use the reset function, and add the layer. I put the boundary as a red color, so we find out the red color. And further we just create a panel, so we can create a panel, UI panel. In this panel we just put the level. I put the label the select African countries. You can put write anything, there is no problem. And also put the I need the vertical. I put the vertical, this type of level, and then add the panel to the UI. So just I add it, the insert 0 and panel 0, so we find out this type of panel. So after that, if I just choose any country from the list, then we can easily find out this country boundary. Okay, so this is the way to work with web application for selecting the country. And further, when you select this country, suppose I need the specific data, I need some specific data. It can be temperature data, or it can be road monitoring data, or any other data. So further we need to select this type of data set, soil quality data, or SPI data, precipitation data, NDVI data. So just we simply put this type of things, and then it automatically show you this type of data. So now it also developing phase. Further when I develop, then also try to explain this code also. Then I hope you can learn it, this type of web application. So if you have any question, you can simply make the comment. I also try to give the answer. In the meantime, I also give you an announcement for upcoming online training program. So basically this class will be start from 11th April. This class will be start. And if you want to join this online training program, then you can get learn all of those from beginners to advanced level on Google Earth Engine. If you have no knowledge about the coding, or if you have no knowledge about that Google Earth Engine, don't worry about that. You will learn all of those from beginners to advanced level. So you can check all of course content from first day to 7 days. All of course content I already added in the video description, as well as you can also visit my website and also check all of details. And basically this is the total 7 days online training program. We take the class for the Friday and Saturday. So if you want to join this online training program, you can also get some benefits, such as you can get the course certificate. After you can get that all of practice code, slide, PDF. You can get the all of recorded video classes. You can also get the lifetime teaching support. It's very important as a beginners, because when you start the learning Google Earth Engine, you face a lot of problem. So that's why you need the continuous support. And after completing the total 7 days online training program, when you face any problem, you can get this type of support. And you also get the research collaboration. So regarding this topic, if you want to make the scientific paper, then you also get the help, and also make the collaboration, and also make the scientific paper also. So if you want to join this online training program, simply contact in this WhatsApp number, and also contact with this email. Then you can simply book your seat and join our upcoming online training program on 11th April. So today is no more. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.